In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Photos app keeps stopping. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are experiencing this problem, most likely your Photos app has experienced a glitch, or there are some permissions that you haven't allowed on your app. To fix this, just go to your phone and look for Photos app, and here is my Photos app. Long press on it to access its app info. You can see I have app info here. That's the shortcut, or if you're missing this, you should have a settings here or even the name of the app. Alternatively, if you go to settings and then go to apps and all apps or manage apps, then search for your app, and here you go, Photos. If you tap on it, you'll get to app info page. Now at this point, first click on force stop app, and this will stop the app from misbehaving. Or then you need to go to clear data here and choose clear cache, and finally okay. Once you are done, now head to app permissions, and under app permissions you need to ensure that camera is allowed, and also files and media permission is also set to allow. Now once this is done, you will need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, now go to your Photos app, and here it is. If you open it, now you should be able to see all your photos. So that's how you can fix Photos app keeps stopping. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.